The salt runs deep inside my veins.
Corned beef is wonder food. Keeps forever and is so tasty in so many ways. Let's make corned beef hash today. Let's get cooking. I'm going to start with a small potato. I'm going to cut it into very small pieces so that it'll get tender at the same time as the other ingredients. I don't want to take the time and fuel to parboil the potato first. Get those potatoes frying in a bit of oil. Now, half an onion, diced small. Give the potatoes a stir. And into the pan. Now a quarter of a bell pepper. I prefer the taste of the red peppers, but green provides a stronger taste. Cut that into small pieces. And into the pan. The potatoes are starting to get soft. One green onion, cut into small pieces. And green onion into the pan. Let it simmer, covered, for another 2 minutes or so. And now, the hero, half a can of corned beef. I like the one with a little key, so no can opener needed. Cut that into smallish pieces. It will completely fall apart on its own as it cooks. Corned beef into the pan. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And fry for a minute. Add 2 tablespoons tomato paste. I like the one in the tube, so the rest can be saved. A bit of heat, if you wish, with half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Give it another minute. Make space in the pan. Add a drop of oil. And crack an egg into the empty space. Give it another minute to get the egg where you like it. Put the egg to the side. Serve out the corned beef. Egg goes back on top. A bit of black pepper. I saved a bit of green onion as garnish. And enjoy. Love that salty taste. It's a bit like the ocean. It's wonderful. Ingredients: 1/2 can of corned beef, 1 small potato, 1/2 an onion, 1/4 bell pepper, 3 tablespoons cooking oil, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 stalk green onions, 1 egg, black pepper to taste.